Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security and today is Free Advice Friday. Now I'm an employer and I want my employees to come to work in a safe environment and go back home to their families. To help achieve this, I have had extra CCTV cameras installed which have been immensely useful for health and safety and incidents recording. This allows me to make changes to reduce incidents in the future, but generally improves my health and safety. I'm an employee. I work for him. I don't like CCTV. I was a bit worried at first, but I must admit, when my mate had an accident, and it was quite a bad one, the CCTV showed that it was absolutely nobody's fault. Nothing could be done about it. However, my boss were allowed to take on board what had happened and is now put new guards in place so it won't happen again. So remember, CCTV is not just for crime, it's also for health and safety. Hope you liked the video. Pop any comments down below and thanks for your comments last week.